Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to transfer Bitcoin from Robinhood to Robinhood Wallet in 2025. If you're holding Bitcoin on Robinhood and want to move it to your Robinhood Wallet for more control and potential rewards, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check for any updates since crypto rules can change. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the Robinhood app installed on your phone and that you're logged into your account. If you don't have a Robinhood wallet yet, go ahead and set one up. It's free and only takes a minute. Once you're in, navigate to the Crypto section. Here, you'll see your Bitcoin holdings listed. Tap on your Bitcoin to open the details page. Next, look for the Transfer or Move Funds option. This might be under a menu icon or directly on the asset page. Select Withdraw to Wallet, and choose your Robinhood wallet as the destination. You'll need to enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer. Start small if you're new to this to avoid any mishaps. Robinhood will show you any fees involved, so keep an eye on that. In 2025, fees might be minimal, but they can vary based on network congestion. Now, for security, Robinhood will prompt you to confirm your identity. This could involve a two-factor authentication code sent to your phone or email. Double-check everything to ensure accuracy. Crypto transfers are irreversible. Once confirmed, hit the Transfer button and wait for the transaction to process. It usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on the blockchain network. After the transfer is complete, head over to your Robinhood Wallet app to verify that your Bitcoin has arrived. Congrats! You've just taken a smart step in managing your crypto. Remember, always keep your wallet secure with strong passwords and enable any available security features. If you run into any issues, Robinhood's support is pretty helpful. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. What's your next crypto move? Drop it in the comments below. See you in the next video.